Welcome back, business enthusiast. Today, we will understand the fundamental concepts of job management within organizations. Job management concepts. So, we will explore the intricacies of job analysis, job description, job specification, job design, and job evaluation. So, if you have ever been interested in HRM, or maybe you have studied HRM in your business school or college, you might have heard the term job management and these different terms within job management like description, job analysis, job design. So in this video we are going to cover the same. These components are crucial pillars in the field of human resource management. And in case you are new to human resource management, you can check our first video on this series. I have also created a playlist so you can go through it and understand all about human resource management. So these crucial pillars for job management, these play a vital role in optimizing organizational performance and fostering employee engagement. So let's get straight into it. Job analysis. We are going to cover first job analysis. So let's start with the essence of this. In essence, job analysis involves a systematic process of gathering and analyzing information about the duties, responsibilities, tasks, and requirements of a particular job role within an organization. So, job analysis is simply a systematic process which involves the gathering and analyzing information about duties, responsibilities, tasks, and requirements of a particular job role. So, job analysis provides insights into the nature of work performed, skills and qualifications needed, and the context in which job operates. So, job analysis serves as the foundation for various HR functions, including recruitment, training, performance appraisal, and compensation management. So, here this was about job analysis, but now why is job analysis important? Now, the importance of job analysis is that it helps organizations ensure alignment between job roles and organizational objectives, facilitates effective workforce planning, and enables the development of accurate job descriptions and specifications. By understanding the intricacies of each job role, organizations can make informed decisions regarding staffing, training, and performance management. So, job analysis is very important because it is something that makes sure that there is an alignment between the job role and the objectives of the organization. So, therefore, job analysis is extremely crucial. Now, let's move forward towards understanding the real life example when it comes to job analysis for human resource management department. Now, let's take the role of a digital marketing manager at a leading company. Say, for example, it's an e-commerce company. Now, through job analysis, the organization identifies the key responsibilities of the role, such as the key responsibilities would involve digital marketing strategies, overseeing social media campaigns, then analyzing the campaign performance metrics. So, these are the things that would be required for a digital media marketing manager, and this would be covered. The identification of these responsibilities would be covered for job analysis part, under the job analysis part. Now, this was about job analysis. Let's move forward to another topic under human resource management, job management, that is job description. Now, job description. So, a job description is a written document that outlines the duties, responsibilities, qualifications, and reporting relationships associated with a particular job role. So, job description is simply a written document wherein you will get the information related to your duty, responsibility, qualification, and everything. For example, whenever you search on LinkedIn or any other job portal, you will see there the detailed information related to that job. So that information which will outline and tell you the roles and responsibilities that you would be having in that particular job, that is the job description. So it is very common, we all have seen these job descriptions on online job portals, or even when maybe if you are in a business school and placement, you have placement cell and the companies come for placement, then you might have read the job description, the written document wherein they design and wherein they mention the requirements, what they are looking for. So that is the job description. So job description serves as a communication tool between the employers and employees, providing clarity on job expectations and requirements. So job description is extremely essential because, let's say for example, if there is only the heading of job. Now, if you are looking for the job role as a content creator in a company, okay, now you see a job post, there it is written content creator, and you apply to it. However, there is nothing else written in it. You have no idea what the job description is, what your roles, duties, and responsibilities would be. And in case you even clear the interview, but now you have no idea what you are needed to do. So there would be extreme level of miscommunication, there would be no boundary, and you are not even sure what you are expected to do. It might happen that you were expecting a lot more to learn there, you are expecting a lot more opportunities and responsibilities, but because it was not mentioned in the job description, you cannot even demand for it because it was not written in the document, right? So that's why job description is extremely crucial, even for the employee as well as for the employer. Now let's understand more about the importance of job description, because when you are understanding human resource management, or maybe you are interested in human resource management, it is really important for you to understand important pillars in human resource management. So under job description, so under job management and recruitment and hiring, this is very crucial. So job description is extremely important because they help attract suitable candidates during the recruitment processes, provide clarity on job roles and responsibilities, serve as a basis for performance evaluation, and support legal compliance. Because this is the job description which would help an employer or maybe the supervisor to understand whether the employee is working as per the expectations of job description or not. Now, a well crafted job description sets clear expectations for employees and contributes to organizational effectiveness, as mentioned earlier. So let's understand with a real life example. Let's consider the job description for a software engineer position at a tech startup. Alright, the job description outlines the required qualifications such as a degree in computer science, proficiency in programming languages, and experience with software development methodologies. So this would be a real life example of how a job description is supposed to be, wherein you will mention your requirements, the mandatory things that are extremely crucial, or whether it is flexible with the requirements. Everything would be written in this job description. Now let's move on to another very crucial pillar, that is job specification. So moving on to job specification. Job specification refers to the specific skills, qualifications, experience and personal attributes required for successful job performance. It provides detailed criteria for evaluating candidates during the recruitment and selection process. Now, why exactly is job specification useful? Well, it ensures that organizations hire candidates who possess the necessary competencies to excel in their roles. This minimizes the risk of hiring mismatches and supports fair and objective recruitment practices. Job specification serves as a benchmark for assessing candidate suitability for a particular role. So you see, job specification is also very important. Now let's understand it via real life example. Let's refer to the job specification for a sales manager position at a retail company. The job specification includes requirements such as bachelor's degree in business administration, strong leadership skills, experience in sales management, and proficiency in CRM software. So this is how a job specification would look like. Now let's move on to job design. Now let's discuss job design. Job design involves structuring, as the name suggests, the structuring and organizing tasks, duties, responsibilities within a job role to enhance the efficiency, productivity, and employee satisfaction. It aims to create meaningful and engaging work experiences for employees while maximizing organizational performance. So, job design is nothing but simply the structuring and organizing of various tasks, duties, responsibilities that are expected out of the employees. So, now why exactly is job design so important? Well, job design contributes to employee motivation and engagement, promotes job satisfaction and well being, reduces turnover and absenteeism, and enhances organizational effectiveness. Effective job design considers factors such as task variety, autonomy, feedback, and skill utilization. Now, let's take the real life example for job design. Consider the job design implemented by a manufacturing company for its assembly line workers. Now, the company incorporates job rotation, task enrichment, and team based work approaches to enhance employee engagement and productivity. So, this would be the job design structure for that particular job role. Alright, now let's move on to job evaluation. Last but not the least, let's explore job evaluation. So, job evaluation is a systematic process of assessing the relative value and worth of different job roles within an organization. It helps establishment of internal equity by determining the relative worth of jobs based on factors such as skills, responsibilities, and working conditions. As the name suggests, it simply means evaluating a particular job based on different factors, just like skills, responsibilities, working conditions. Okay, now let's understand why is job evaluation necessary. Now see, job evaluation ensures fair and equitable compensation practices, supports talent retention and motivation. It facilitates career development and succession planning and promotes organizational fairness and transparency. So, job evaluation is very crucial when it comes to HR department and for the overall success of an organization. Now let's see the real life example. So let's examine the job evaluation process conducted by financial services firm to determine the salary grades for various job roles within the organization. The firm utilizes job evaluation methods such as the point factor method or the ranking method to assess the relative value of different jobs. Now see, if you want to understand in detail about the job evaluation process, I would need to make a separate in detail video for it. Now human resource management, this entire function of management is a very big role, is a very big task to do, and is very big subject. So if you want, I can create in detail video related to each and every little concept of it, because everything is very important when it comes to the entire management of human resources. So here we are done with job evaluation. Now in conclusion, job analysis, job description, job specification, job design, and job evaluation, all these are the integral components of effective human resource management. By understanding the importance of these concepts and their practical implications, organizations can optimize their workforce management practices, enhance employee engagement and satisfaction levels, and drive organizational success. Now remember, the key to success lies in aligning job roles with organizational objectives, fostering a culture of transparency and fairness, and continuously evolving to meet the dynamic needs of workforce. Stay tuned for more insights and best practices in the world of business management. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and growing. Alright, so all the business leaders, this is it for the video. This was all about the fundamentals and important concepts of job management. Now we will meet in the next video to understand more concepts related to human resource management. And in case there is anything that you need to understand more in detail, or maybe there is anything that you did not understand properly, do mention it in the comment section and we would try to explain it in more simpler format. And also let us know why are you interested in understanding and learning the human resource management, whether you are in a B school or you are in college or you want to become an HR professional. Let us know in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this learning video, do subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any update on our next learning video. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep learning, and stay healthy.